MeghalayaPost.news.
Ban kentiu berban penkelanya ki Samla ke Jela tang bagi dunia kita kisap ki pong hakarwai ke siau kaput ketem ki balong tang ki kinja bapen subha pertai ba Charles Marngar MLA kamauti hakar dorbar mang tingka menta ke singi ula kenturu yau menteri reng ba ke Jela Konrad ke sangma ban Mang Pisa Kyrpang ru nak bentaban penlong manau snem da ke gospel concert nang baling ba ki gospel concert kan penkelanya ru ya ki khon Samla hakar jing im bakenja mensia ula pen paru ba ke Jela Meghalaya ke degata ke Jela ke belapau bah kaput ketem berkarwai ke siau baru ia ke Shillong latip kum Rock capital of India Henry Hekawai ke bentau lapan sengaupat baladon kamru bandan kita ki gospel concert bemanau snem baka Sorkar ke haban Mang Pisa Kyrpang kenang bakani kenirap iki khun Samla tang bakin sai kisap hakaput ketem ni karwai ke siau bat kani kan pen baru ya ke jinglong jingman bat ke jing im babha ki khun Samla hapo ke Jela Nalor ke jing Kyrpat yau menteri reng ba ban bu ya kamang tingka ban penlong ya ke gospel concert ke bemanau snem ke Jela uba Charles Marngar ula keren ru ban bu Mang tingka Kyrpang ru na ke benta ki wei ki bakentup ya ki jing don kam ban penne pensa ialah ki ruti ki dustur leng baka arts and culture ban kentiu ka rap sok turun ka jing rap sieng hari boy bat ula keran ru ya ka kong Margaret Patau kum kaladu ka jing kun kti ka prothai ka balalong hatoki bat ka balayo khori ka tak maksiar ka balong ka burom ya ka Jela baru ka Sorkar ka haban thaulat Kyrpang ru na ka bentagi Samla don sam haki kami lekai sports.
Regarding the Chief Minister's Meghalaya grassroots music program, sir, our state has emerged as one of the top 3 concert destination in India. This is a matter of great pride for all of us. Mr. Chairman, sir, I sincerely hope the government will continue to build on this momentum and work toward making Meghalaya the music capital of the country. In this regard, Mr. Chairman, sir, I would like to place one suggestion before the House. A suggestion that reflects the heartfelt desire of gospel singers across the state, sir. I propose that the government consider organizing one major annual platform exclusively for gospel singers, sir. Such a platform would not only nurture talent, but also strengthen a spiritual and cultural fabric. I'm confident that our people will be greatly blessed through this initiative, sir. Sir, when we speak about sports, I would also like to express my appreciation to the government for its continued support to our sports persons. I particularly thank the government for recognizing Srimati Margaret Patau as a district ambassador for the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao initiative. Srimati Margaret Patau brought great pride to our state by winning a gold medal at the 43rd World Arm Wrestling Championship in 2022 held in Turkey. As a public representative from Ribhoi district, sir, I'm very proud for Srimati Margaret Patau. She is also a 5-time national champion of champions in arm wrestling. And she remains the only woman from our state to have achieved the distinction of becoming a world champion in arm wrestling. Sir, I would like to suggest that the government, if the government could consider recognizing her as a state ambassador. Such recognition would inspire countless young girls and boys in our state Meghalaya. One more point, sir. Happy to see that our pineapple were very popular even in Delhi. I would like to talk about promoting of pineapple plantation in Ribhoi district and in the state as a whole. Sir, I am truly delighted to learn that our pineapple have been highly appreciated and gained popularity in the country. This recognition is a matter of great pride and encouragement for our farmers, sir, whose hard work and dedication have made this possible. Ribhoi district remains one of the most suitable regions to further promote and expand pineapple cultivation among our people. As we are all aware, Nongpoh village under the Nongpoh constituency, sir, is one of the leading areas for pineapple cultivation, known for producing some of the sweetest pineapples. I would also like to highlight that That village, I think this is new, it's very new for all of us in this August house. This Thatch village is fall under my constituency and is equally suitable and holds immense potential for pineapple plantation with produce of comparable quality and taste. Therefore, I humbly urge the Honorable Chief Minister to kindly consider this matter and extend support toward promoting and strengthening pineapple cultivation in these areas. Such initiatives will greatly benefit our farmers and contribute to the overall development of the district and the state as a whole. Last but not the least, sir, just 1 minute. During my speech on the motion to the governor address, I've already mentioned about broom grass farmers. One more point, sir, that I want to share in this August house regarding the ginger farmers. Sir, the government has done tremendous work for our farmers through many initiatives. I have one more suggestion, sir. And also, I urge the government to kindly do something for our ginger farmers, sir. If you can set up more processing unit, and also as what we did for our broom grass farmers, we constituted a marketing board. So in this regard also, sir, I would like to suggest the government to let us constitute a marketing board for a ginger farmer. Let me come to conclusion, sir.
Kindly, one of you speak.
Constitute a marketing board as we have done for broomstick. This also, sir, I hope that it will be a blessing for a ginger farmer in the state of Meghalaya.
MeghalayaPost.news.